When an RV battery drains despite being plugged in, it is often due to a faulty converter, which is responsible for converting AC power from the RV's hookup to DC during charging. A malfunctioning converter can cause noticeable issues such as flickering or dimming lights and tripping breakers. To resolve this, it is essential to inspect the converter's wiring and battery connections for signs of wear, loosening, or damage, and use a multimeter to confirm the converter is functioning correctly. Another common reason for battery drain is the age and deterioration of the battery itself. Over time, RV batteries wear out due to aging, overcharging, and the buildup of sulfates on the terminals. Cleaning the terminals and utilizing a battery monitor to identify cell imbalances can help address this issue, although significantly worn batteries may need to be replaced. Additionally, parasitic loads can also contribute to battery drain, as they draw power from the batteries even when the RV is not in use. These loads can stem from malfunctioning appliances, poorly installed modifications, and extra systems such as climate control and carbon monoxide detectors. Installing a switch to turn off power when the RV is not plugged in can help mitigate this problem. By understanding and addressing these common issues, it is possible to prevent RV battery drain and ensure optimal performance.